Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Xiaomi Iron Steamer, full guide. Fill the tank with clean water, secure the cap, and switch power on. Select the steam level suitable for your fabric and wait for the ready light. Hold the steamer upright and glide slowly, targeting wrinkles from top to bottom. Empty the tank after cooling and wipe the sole plate to prevent mineral buildup. Always test fabric in a hidden area first. Start with sorting garments by fabric type and label instructions. Use distilled water for less mineral buildup and longer life. For tough wrinkles, use the fabric brush attachment and increase steam level. Keep the steamer moving to avoid wet spots and never leave it unattended while powered. For delicate fabrics, steam from the reverse side and maintain a safe distance to prevent damage. Clean the tank regularly to ensure consistent steam performance. Quick recommendation: if you like compact devices, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, it really supports the channel. On another note, the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for reading manuals and recipes while steaming. Check the description for the link and other deals and consider it as a truly handy companion. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To descale, empty the tank and fill with a 50% water and 50% white vinegar mixture. Run steam for a few minutes, then flush with clean water. Check the nozzle for clogs and use a pin if needed. Replace seals if you notice leaks and contact support for persistent electrical issues. Store the steamer dry with the cap off and always cool it before packing away to prevent damage. Wipe external surfaces with a damp cloth and avoid harsh chemicals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.